Hey everybody, it's the Cooking Mom, Amy Hanton, here in my kitchen, live with you on Facebook, hanging out with Earl the dog. And as you can see, he's a little bit tired today because the sun was shining today here in Sheboygan. And we decided to go out we try and take a walk every day, but today I've also been trying to run a little bit more because I can't play tennis because my tennis club is closed. You know the drill. But anyway, I've been trying to do run and walk. And anyway, we went running today and had a really nice run. It felt really good. It was chilly out there, but when you're running, you know, warms you up and all that kind of stuff. But you can tell he is pooped and he's still loving his Gary the Gator, his new dog toy. Cracks me up. Anyway, I just wanted to check back in and say hi and make another recipe for you. As you probably know, I'm cooking live in my kitchen every day here on Facebook. It's given me mission and purpose, and I am just enjoying it so much. It's my one thing that's really helping me get through this. And here in Wisconsin, we had a little bit of news today, and maybe you've already heard about it, maybe you haven't, or maybe you don't live in Wisconsin, but the governor has extended the stay-at-home order, safer at home, for at least another month. So we got that word today here in Wisconsin that I most likely, I'm going to be working out of my home, and so is everybody else in Wisconsin. So we're going to stay as we are right now until May 26th. So a little bit tough to hear, but on the other hand, I am I think we need to be safe rather than sorry. So I'm going with it and just going to try to make the most of it. And I'm going to keep cooking here live on Facebook and keep testing and putting out new recipes on my website, thecookingmom.com, and just, trying to look at the glass half full because my family is healthy and well, and we're doing the best we can under this situation, and I hope you are too. It's all about the little things, and it's amazing when the sunshine comes out like it is today. Even if it's a little chilly, boy, that sunshine makes a huge, huge difference. So today, all this week I've been trying to use leftovers from Easter, and today I'm going to show you what to do with those hard-boiled eggs. I happen to love egg salad. I didn't used to as a kid, but I don't know, something happens along the way, and all those foods that you didn't really like as a kid, all of a sudden you start to love them. Is it just me, or does that happen to you too? There's Arlo drinking his water, by the way. Somebody yesterday said, oh, is that Arlo drinking his water? Yep, he's a big old black lab. He weighs almost 100 pounds, so he eats a lot and he drinks a lot. But anyway, today I'm going to show you how to make what I call my excellent egg salad. It's actually a very simple recipe. And one of you guys on Facebook said that you love egg salad and you agree with me that simple is the best. I think when you put too much in it, then it really doesn't taste like egg salad. So I do have a couple of secrets in my egg salad that I think makes it extra special, but it's a very simple recipe. And by the way, if you didn't boil eggs for Easter or you just want to boil some eggs, to make this egg salad, I have a whole blog on how to have perfect hard-boiled eggs every time. And you can just check that out on my website. All right, let's get to the egg salad. And then I'm going to also share about some other things going on. But I just don't want you to look too closely at the hard-boiled eggs. They boiled up perfectly, but my partner in crime and my photographer, yep, you can wave, photographer. I was in a little bit of a rush today because I was working on my newsletter. I write my newsletter every Thursday. It goes out Friday mornings. It's chock full of all sorts of wonderful recipes and ideas, especially now that we're stuck at home. But anyway, I said, hey honey, would you mind peeling the eggs? Let's just say I'm not sure I'm going to be giving him that job again. I'm just kidding. Thank you for doing it. They're not the prettiest. I don't think he was super patient with it. But anyway, first thing I'm going to do is, and I have lately been cutting a lot of my recipes in half just because there's just two of us in Arlo at home right now. So, don't be afraid to cut the recipes in half. It's really easy to do. I get oftentimes questions about, can I cut this recipe in half? And in most cases, yeah, especially a lot of my recipes, they cut in half very, very easily. So I'm just going to chunk these up a little bit, chop them up a little bit. I don't like them too fine, and so I kind of keep them a little more chunky. So while I'm chopping up these eggs, a couple of things I wanted to mention. Tomorrow, we are announcing the winner of my absolute favorite. Oh, look at who's coming. Look who's back. You are not getting any egg salad, so don't even think about it. I was waiting for some egg to drop on the floor, though. Anyway, tomorrow here on Facebook, I'm announcing the winner of the 6-quart digital slow cooker, the Nesco slow cooker. So please watch tomorrow. And by the way, you still have a chance to win that slow cooker. It's a digital slow cooker. It's really nice. It's the best one I've ever had. I swear by it. But you can follow me on Instagram. So that's, you can double your chances. So just go over to thecookingmom.com. You'll see the post there on the giveaway for the Nesco slow cooker, and all you have to do is tag a couple of friends. I think it's tagged three friends follow me, and yeah, it's real easy to do, and you have a really good chance. So why not do it? We decided to have some fun and give some stuff away, so that's what we're doing. All right, so these are all nice and chopped up. Oh, the other thing I did today is, and I never do it, and I think it might have been the first time I've ever done it, but my mom and my sister, well, I'm getting some of that egg on the floor, Arlo better come on back. So I bet he will. But my mom and my sister, who live in Arizona, I was raised and grew up most of my life in Arizona, have been going through old pictures. They have most of the old pictures. When I left for college, that's where the old pictures are. So they were sending me a bunch of old pictures, and I posted one on Instagram and on Facebook of when I was about 6. I was in first grade. And it was my first Throwback Thursday I think I've ever done. So check it out. See if you think that resembles me at all. I can't really see it. Other people have. But that is one whole fun thing about this, this time that we're going through. The old pictures that I'm seeing on Facebook and Instagram are just a hoot and a half. So check it out. Let me know. Does it look like me? Does it not look like me? And I love seeing your old pictures too. I haven't quite found the high school graduation picture. I think that's going around too on Facebook, so I'll have to hunt for that. But anyway, I do love it so much when you comment and you let me know that you like what I'm doing. You give me a thumbs up, you say hi. Some of the same people watch every day, from Kendall, hi Kendall, and Laura Lee, and Barb, and Amy, and Susan. So Renee, thank you all so much for watching every day. And if I didn't mention you, I apologize. I'll try and mention you as the days go on. But it warms my heart. And I can't tell you enough how thankful I am for those of you who check in every day and watch me here on Facebook, or even you newbies. I hope you enjoy what you're doing, and I love it if you'd share. Let everybody else know what I'm doing. I'm really trying to cook from my pantry on a budget and sharing all sorts of tips and secrets to make your life a little easier in the kitchen at this time. Okay, so eggs are all chopped. So I do a little bit of very finely chopped celery in mine. I like the eggs, chopped eggs look who showed up and just gobbled up those eggs on the floor. I'm telling you, that's another reason I love Arlo. He's like a Hoover vacuum sometimes. But I like a little bit of crunch in my tuna salad and my egg salad, but I don't want giant pieces of celery, so I really do chop it up pretty finely. I also happen to have some green onion. If you're gonna do onion, unless you're a total onion lover, I like to do very finely diced onion and not a whole lot of it. Red onion is really nice in here. I actually happen to have green onion, but I don't want you running out to the store to go get onion just for this recipe. I am trying to go to the grocery store as little as possible. So even if you don't have onion, a little onion powder would work. But I like the green onion in here. It's just kind of a taste of spring, and it's a very mellow flavor. I do a little bit of garlic salt or regular salt. I go a little bit heavy on the black pepper. I don't even think I use the regular black pepper anymore. I always use freshly ground black pepper. I just think it makes so much of a difference. You know what? Perfectly honest, I don't have the regular black pepper in my pantry anymore. I was just trying to think if I did or not. And then I love a little bit of fresh dill in this. It just is a taste of spring, and I put fresh dill in my egg salad and in my tuna salad. Now, I happen to have some. Again, I don't want you running out to the grocery store unless you absolutely have to go. But the fresh dill actually lasts quite a while. Some of the fresh herbs turn, like fresh basil, when you get it at the grocery store, it goes so quickly. And I just use some kitchen shears. Fresh dill is very, very delicate. So I just use kitchen shears and kind of chop them with that, or really wash your regular scissors. and I do about a good tablespoon. Another secret that I have, and I don't remember when I found these, but I think they're pretty new on the market within like the last year, maybe two. They're in the produce section of the grocery store, and they are freeze-dried herbs. And I have really fallen in love with them, especially the dill. Because if you don't have fresh herbs, they're kind of like the next best thing. I don't know if you can see how green they are, but they're really nice. So yeah, you don't need to refrigerate them, but just a little. I love sharing secrets. You know, I'm all about sharing secrets and tips. I'm a Hellmann's girl. I know there are some of you who are the other one, the sweeter salad dressing. In my house growing up, my mom liked Hellmann's, my dad liked the other stuff for sandwiches. You know what I'm talking about. So we had a jar of each in our refrigerator. So it's up to you. Are you a Hellmann's person or are you the other person? Let me know. You know what I'm talking about, that salad dressing person, which is a little bit sweeter. Either one will work. I always start with a little. I think I actually might have done a little bit too much. In my, I'm going to need a little more than that. And then I can always add more. You don't want to ever add too much mayo because then you're stuck with all that mayo. And there's been so much eating going on the last month. We figured it out. It's been a month or more since we've been stuck home. So, man, I've never seen so much eating or cooking. You agree? Or cleaning up and laundry. Oh my goodness gracious. Hey, I have to do a shout out. I miss her so much, it feels like it, but I miss my team at Fox 11, the people who I work with all the time at Fox 11. My show is not live these days because only the essential workers, the news crew and the essential workers are reporting to work. But Michelle Melby, who is one of the nighttime anchors, she watches my Facebook Live. Hi Michelle, how are you doing? I miss you all. She made my slow cooker scalloped ham and potatoes yesterday, and she shared pictures of it on Facebook. So, oh, that was so cool. Thank you. She's a busy lady, and that she had time to throw that together, and it looked amazing. I love it when you make my recipes and share pictures. And speaking of Fox 11, I'm actually going to be on Good Day Wisconsin live tomorrow morning from my kitchen. I have another recipe perfect when we're stuck in. I'm really excited to talk with Rachel Monick and Pete Petoniak. Even though not in person, I'll be able to visit with them through virtually, I guess, through Skype. So pretty exciting stuff. So you can watch me live if you've been missing me, and I sure have been missing them, tomorrow morning on Good Day Wisconsin, and around between 8:30 and 9 tomorrow morning. All right, back to that egg salad. Boy, I feel really chatty today, and I apologize if you've got things to do. There's not a lot of people to talk to these days, and my guy is probably sick of hearing me, so this is my time to chat. So thank you for indulging me. So this egg salad, by the way, will keep in your fridge for a couple of days, and it's really nice to have on hand for lunches. I did notice, now I don't know if it's just me, but remember how we were talking about a week or so ago about about eggs had been expensive, man. They seem to have really gone up in price, like $3.50 to $4 a dozen. I noticed when I went to the grocery store this week, they'd come down a little bit. Did you notice that too? Is it just me or my grocery store that I go to? I was like, woohoo! So I was very excited about that. Don't like paying $4 a dozen for eggs, So anyway, but this egg salad will last at least a couple of days in your refrigerator. I splurged because they had them at the bakery, and I do love croissants, but I actually love this egg salad on toast, wheat toast, a little bit of lettuce, and I'm a happy camper. It actually makes a really nice light dinner, or really wonderful for lunches. So yeah, that's it. I have talked enough today, and I'm sure you've got better things to do. Still looking for those shows to watch though. Oh man, I'm running out of ideas. So I love it when you tell me what you're watching. I love it when you tell me what made you smile today, or what were your highs and your lows of the day. So, we're all in this together, and my Facebook community, you have just brightened my day and have really kept me going and encouraged me, and I can't thank you enough. So yeah. Hope you check back here tomorrow, same time, 3:30. I've got another really special recipe for tomorrow, so hope you'll join me. I did want to mention one more tip. If you didn't do an Easter ham, they're on sale big time right now at the grocery store. And so you might want to think about picking one up and turning it into lots of different recipes. I have pea soups, those scalloped potatoes and ham. I have some wonderful pasta dishes with ham. I'm trying to cook once and get a few different meals out of it, and I can't believe the sale on hams right now. Maybe even if there are plenty, get two and put one in your freezer for summer. They're great on the grill too. So just share what I saw at the grocery store. Hams are on sale. So yeah, okay, time for me to say goodbye. I will hang out on Facebook for the next half hour or so if you want to chat. I love responding to your comments, and I hope you had a wonderful Thursday evening. Take care, everybody. See you tomorrow.